Hello friends, today I'll be discussing a clinical based question about nutrition. Well, here's the question. Which of the following is the storage form of vitamin D? Calcitriol, calcidiol, cholecalciferol, 7-dihydrocholesterol or cholesterol? It's a very simple question, but I tell you, it is one of the most confusing and ill understood topic in whole internal medicine. Well, I request you to write down the answer in your copy. Okay. So I presume that by now you have written the answer in your copy. So let's see what is this. Answer is calcidiol. B. Bombay. So let's discuss the beautiful everything summarized in just one small slide. We all know cholesterol is there in the body. Everybody knows. This is converted into 7-dihydrocholesterol. CH stands for cholesterol. And this comes to skin. In the skin also it is stratum basal. Now in the skin with UV light, which we get from sunlight, this is converted to cholecalciferol. This is vitamin D3. This is converted into in the liver to 25 hydroxy D3, cholecalcidiol. Okay, it is this form which is circulating and the storage form. When we order the testing of a vitamin D3 of a patient, laboratory check this. Point to note it. We write serum vitamin D3, but they check this. This is vitamin D3, this is 25 hydroxy D3. Now this is converted to 125 dihydrocholecalciferol, what is called as calcitriol. This is the so-called active form of vitamin D. So a quick recap. Dihydrocholesterol in the skin. Cholecalciferol is converting in the skin. Dihydrocholesterol is converted to cholecalciferol. In the so-called in the liver it is calcidiol, and in the kidney it is calcitriol. We upload question of the day video daily at 9 p.m. in our app. If you have any query to ask me, you are welcome to ask me. I'll be very happy to reply to your question. And don't forget to write your name and college name. Thank you very much.